engine which I shown to you in our last video. It is installed in our aircraft. So you can see there are some spark plugs is there for sparking this combustion chamber, air cooled from here. This side air will come. Start seeing about this Cessna 150, some primary controls. So this is our Cessna aircraft which is standing in our hangar. You can see here some basic controls of the Cessna. This is really basics, not okay. So this is our flaps and this is our ailerons, and this is flaps we are using to increase the lift as well as drag. And also while doing landing and takeoff we are using these flaps. And now let's have a look on tail sections. Like our horizontal stabilizer is there, vertical stabilizer is there. So we can see like here elevators are there. So elevators, these are the elevators which we are using for pitch up and pitch down when it will. And this is our vertical stabilizer which is called rudder. This is for direction stability. For yawing we are using this rudder. So according to this movement of this rudder we will get the direction of the aircraft. So as we seen that this is our horizontal stabilizer. This is so when it will go up, so this tendency of this aircraft will be to pitch nose up. When it will go down, its tendency will be to pitch down. As we can see here, this is a very simple our Cessna 150 aircraft. Here we are used some fixed landing gear only. It is not retractable. Now it is stored for a long-term storage. That's why we used some that tripod jacks. As well you can see here it is just a two-seater aircraft. In this front nose landing gear, these torque links are given. This is all hydraulic basic torque links. This all to just align this properly. That's why we are using these torque links. You see inside this aircraft what are the flight controls. It is all like we can say fiber cockpit. It is not our glass cockpit. Okay. So here some flight controls are given. As you can see here it is stored mechanically linkage. Here are some analog systems are given. In if you are going for a glass cockpit, everything will be like a digital LCD LEDs we are using, as you can see on your screen now. So as you can see, this is a cockpit of our Cessna 150 which is placed in our hangar from inside. I'll tell you about this very basic. This is a really basic our fiber cockpit. Glass cockpit is different, which I'll show you later. So these are some controls. In that if you want to roll, means change the direction of your aircraft, you can use this. So through this, as I shown you before, that rudder and ailerons it will work. So by combination of this both, it will change its directions. And when you wanted to pitch up the aircraft, pitch down. When you want to climb, you have to pull this out so that our elevator will go up, and when you're putting this inside, elevator will go down. So aircraft will tendency it will show to pitch down. So here we can discuss some this few analog, some digitals which are basic we are using for this aircraft. As you can see here, we given in first number airspeed indicator is there, back number here. This you can see it is a magnetic compass, so we can detect the north and south pole as we are normally discussing. Here attitude indicator, altitude wind indicator. So now I am going to tell you about difference between the attitude indicator and altitude indicator. So altitude indicator will give the height of the aircraft, means at how much feet it is climbing or descending, and attitude it will give the wing level. So as we know, when our aircraft will fly in cold regions, so propeller will very cold places where we can go snow and everything. So it will go and stuck in propeller, right? For that we need to do anti-icing, de-icing, renewable. If they are increasing temperature, it will, if it is aircraft propeller is variable pitch propeller, it will increase the temperature or decrease according to our need. So to change the direction of aircraft, means to operate the rudder, we are going to see that rudder paddles which is placed on both captain and co-pilot, both sides. So I'll show you that how that rudder paddles look. So this is a rudder paddles as placed here. It is totally aircraft is mechanical and linked with pulleys and cables. So this is our left rudder paddle, right? If you want to go for red, you need to press this, and this is right rudder paddle, you need to press this. As you can see that I'll tell you some basic about this pulleys. Some pulleys are given, some cables are there. Those are Cessna that are directly connected through these pulleys and all, everything mechanical link. And this is our, and how we are moving these controls. According to that control cables will move. So control cables cannot go straight right, so we are using these pulleys to change the direction. So as you can see here, we are going to operate. When you place this part, this is a rudder paddles, right? So change the directions. So how we are pressing this, it will go to right. If you are pressing this, it will go to left, and I'll show how it is operating on